What is up YouTube? This is your boy Gav and welcome to Gavlogs. Today I am at this place called COORG. What a beautiful place. I have drove down with my family. Really looking forward for this journey. Anyone who really wants to come to COORG, please do visit this place. It's called the Leisure Woodstock Resorts and I'm going to show you a few clips of it. I hope you guys enjoy the clip.
Bounce.
Hi. Say hi. This is the room I'm gonna stay in. That is Redwood 110. I don't know why it's called Redwood. Maybe because I don't know. I have no clue. But I'm gonna show you my room right now. Megan, how do you like this place? Do you like it?
I like this.
Where do you want to go? What do you want to do right now?
Playground.
Why? Right now?
Yeah.
Aren't you tired?
No.
Okay.
Can I go?
What do you want to play now?
Playground.
Yeah, what do you want to play in the playground? Seesaw?
Everything.
Everything, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the little one?
There.
Hello. Hello. When are we going to the playground? You can't go without me. High five. High five, Megan.
Can you play with me inside the playground?
Yes, I'll play with you. So guys, this trip is actually going to be with family. But really looking forward to this place. This is the first time I've come to Madikeri, COORG. And it's so beautiful, man.
Gavin, let's play.
Play what?
Gavin, I want to play with you.
Play with me. What do you want to play? I'm playing. I'm here only.
Yes. Oh no!
Guys, just check this out. Beauty of COORG. Sweet, isn't it? Gonna check out a few more places. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and I hope you guys subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment because your support, oh my god, look at the breeze. Your support will help me out. Help this channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share and like the video. Hi Gavin! So guys, meet my auntie.
I am not your aunt.
Actually, she is unofficially.
Unofficially,
She's not.
I am not. Exactly.
But officially,
No.
yes.
No.
Okay, where are we going now?
Abbey Falls.
What is Abbey?
It's a name. Name of the falls.
You have no clue what it is, no? It's a Mr. Warren, my uncle.
My kids call him Gavin Dattu.
No, they call me Gavin.
Gavin Dattu.
No. Heading back, the problem is we have a lot of steps. Mr. Warren, have you subscribed to my channel?
Yeah, long back. And I follow you dedicatedly.
Oh. So finally, the finish line is here. You made it. How do you feel?
Great.
Same.
So we've out here to buy some chocolate, amazing homemade chocolate in COORG. We have nice white chocolate, dark chocolate. It's called the COORG homemade chocolate. Do visit this place. Good morning guys. I finally got up It's so cold here in Coorg. I have no idea how I'm even standing outside. We didn't use the fan. We didn't use the air conditioning. I mean, there is no air conditioning. But we didn't use the fan also because it was so cold. The weather is really chill. I wouldn't say the best weather because it's actually really cold. But at the same time, I missed this weather. This is day 2 of Coorg. We are planning to go and visit few more places. Let's see how today goes.
Are you video shooting me?
Yeah.
Right, Kushal.
Eat.
Mask లేదు వా wait.
Guys, I'm at this elephant camp in Coorg. Scenery behind me. It's called the Elephant Camp in Coorg. Guys, as you can see, the elephants are going to have a bath. Behind me. This is like an amazing thing. I've never seen elephants having a bath. I mean, like live. I've gone for a bath. You can see this right now. As you can see, this guy was going in, struggling. 2 are already in.
तुझे भीड़ काटनी है It's in its mouth.
Hi guys, this is day 2 of Coorg and at the Woodstock Resorts. Just got up, got freshened up and had an amazing breakfast. Looking forward to the journey back home. Really enjoyed the stay here. Really cold. So people who are planning to come right now at this time, please take on your jackets, please take on your sweaters, please wear your full pants and make sure you're tucked up and you visit this place because it's really cold. I haven't switched on the fan since 2 days and the AC. So I mean there is no AC but yeah. To all those guys who are watching my vlog, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you're not enjoying, please let me know so that I can improve. Please like, comment and share the videos. Please join the Gavlogs army. I promise you there are going to be much amazing vlogs coming your way. Please subscribe. Click on the right button. You can see the right button but you're not clicking it, so please go and click it now. Yes, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Gonna say bye right now and hope you guys stay safe, take care and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.